Hey everybody, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm very excited to be unboxing the new DJI FPV combo today. A lot of people ask us, what is FPV? Well, FPV is an abbreviation that stands for first person view. Unlike traditional drones where you're looking at the live view on a mobile device or phone, FPV puts those screens right in front of your eyes in a headset. This creates a much more immersive flying experience for high speed and dramatic maneuvers. An FPV drone was traditionally a drone that you would have to custom build yourself. It had no fail-safes or safety features at all and would require countless hours of practice in both the manufacturing and the building of the device, as well as the flying. DJI have bridged the gap with the new FPV system here. Right out of the box, users can experience an FPV style drone with little to no assembly required. They also allow you to build up your skills in the simulator before you enter manual mode for inverting the drone upside down and those more highly complicated maneuvers. Without much further ado, let's rip into it and see what's inside this cool new drone. So first we have the drone itself with the battery installed. I will just have to give that a quick charge before we can activate it. It is crazy to think that this thing can go up to 140 kilometers an hour in M mode, which is incredibly fast and very exciting. I cannot wait to have a go. We've got the goggles, without the headband and the aerials, of course. The goggles and drone, of course, use OcuSync 3.0, which is the new transmission system, giving you up to 10 kilometers range, which is incredible. Here's the remote controller, of course. Quite comfortable in the hand, and our joysticks are just under here. This has all our goggles components in it. This is our AC power adapter and the goggles battery. And here are the propellers for the drone. All right, let's get this assembled.
That's around the next corner.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the hero specs that we have on this amazing new product. I mean, the first one that we have to talk about is the top speed. 140 kilometers an hour in M mode. That is just unbelievable. And really something that DJI just have not done in their consumer series before. The next one that's really impressive is the 20-minute battery life. FPV drones typically in the past range between 5 to 10 minutes battery tops. So 20 minutes is really substantial. That's going to give you a lot more time to play and really nail your photos and videos. Speaking of the photos and videos, you can take 12 megapixel stills with this, and 4K 60 frames is the maximum frame rate and resolution. What's really cool is you can also drop it down to 1080p and shoot a whopping 120 FPS. It also has available the H.264 and H.265 codecs, so you can actually choose which kind of compression you'd like while shooting that 4K. Now, to those of you who are maybe new to the world of FPV, you may be wondering if you are going to be able to control this new drone. The good news is DJI have thought of that, and they actually have catered to all levels of skill. Basically, on this controller here, we have 3 modes. We have N for like your normal mode, S for like your sports mode, and then there's M mode, which is where you will be able to invert the drone. What's amazing is, as long as you leave it off M mode and do not unlock that feature inside the simulator, S and N mode are going to fly very similar to other DJI drones in the market. They will automatically hover and hold their position really nicely, and it will automatically return home just like you'd be used to on typical DJI drones. As you build up your confidence and your skill flying a bit of a faster model, then you can look at doing those really cool flips and those inverted flying techniques in the M mode as you build your skill level up. A really good addition to appeal to a wide range of skill levels. So that's our first look at this amazing new release by DJI, and if you want to get your hands on one, be sure to head into one of our 8 stores located around Australia. You can also order them online from our website, which is of course d1store.com.au, but be sure to get in quick because as with any new release, the stock is just flying out the door. If you do order one online, we offer free shipping on any orders over $99, and we also offer zip money for those of you who want to do interest-free payments. But yeah, hopefully we see you in store soon, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.